In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best new kitchen gadgets in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which new kitchen gadgets are the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Sandwich Cutter and Sealer. Patent pending. Fed up with purchasing pre-made sandwiches from your grocery store? Use our patent pending cutter and also sealant combination to create your own. Red Heart, over 10,000 parents satisfied. Enjoy spending time in the kitchen with your children by making fun lunches with each other. 10,000 plus moms and dads, as well as children across the world, have picked Savoy Chef products. Order now to join the family. Coolest child in school, our established makes it simple to transform a boring lunch right into enjoyable shapes in a jiffy before school. Appropriate for both ladies as well as young boys, they will certainly like the healthy and balanced bits in their lunch boxes so much that they'll wish to show them off to their close friends. Safe and also excellent quality, the Savoy Chef's sandwich cutter set is safe and 100% free from BPA, lead, PVC, mercury, and also phthalates. Likewise, the top rack dishwashing machine is safe. 1-year warranty. With our fantastic track record of pleased customers, we're so positive that you'll enjoy our set. If you're not satisfied for any reason, simply reach out to us and we're more than happy to deal with any kind of concerns you may deal with. Our typical response time is 12 human resources or less. Here is the item number 4, OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Easy, one-handed operation with copyrighted pump mechanism and brake switch. Soft, non-slip handle secures down for storage space, and also a non-slip ring as well as wide base keep bowl constant on the kitchen counter. The classy, clear dish is perfect for offering, as well as basket can be utilized separately as a bowl-shaped sieve. Clear, flat cover enables convenient piling when not being used, dismantles for very easy cleansing, and components are leading rack dishwashing machine risk-free and BPA-free. Ability 6.22 QT bowl, 4.95 QT basket, measurements 10.5 inch x 10.5 inch x 6 inch. The item number 3, KitchenAid KCM 5912SX Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Smooth, rich-bodied taste, cold brew as well as cold coffee machine maintains your preferred drink available, and also tasting great in the early morning or any time throughout the day. Tiny impact, suitable for any kind of fridge or kitchen counter. Easy to use, simply fill with coffee and cold water, steep as well as delight in. 19 portions. Mix 2 ounces of coffee concentrate with every 6 ounces of your favorite milk, water, or ice. Long-lasting, the KitchenAid Cool Brew Coffee Maker makes 38 ounces of coffee concentrate that remains fresh in the refrigerator for approximately 2 weeks. Always at hand, turn your refrigerator into a coffee bar with a constructed in stainless steel tap that gives your chilly brew from your refrigerator. The coffee machine additionally has a lugging handle for very easy mobility. Structured layout, beautiful, streamlined layout with glass as well as stainless steel elements to maintain preference for very easy usage as well as cleaning. Functional and reliable, recyclable stainless steel steeper allows you to brew the beverage of your selection, and also is identified with fill level indications to take the guesswork out of the developing procedure. Number 2 in our list, Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Quick and easy, with 4 very easy actions, this breakfast sandwich manufacturer cooks your customized sandwich in just 5 minutes. Perfect for brunch or a fast, well-balanced meal on the go. 2 is better than 1. Double breakfast sandwich manufacturer is wonderful for kids, extra visitors, or if you're additional hungry. Create a personalized sandwich, whether you're seeking low-carb or protein-loaded. Our complimentary breakfast manufacturer dish book puts lots of enjoyable and delicious dishes right at your fingertips. Remove the bread, and also these are fantastic for keto and paleo diets too. Terrific present, perfect present for Christmas, birthday celebrations, Papa's Day, Mommy's Day, graduation, back to college, and even more. Easy cleanup, all detachable parts on this breakfast maker are dishwasher secure. Consisted of parts, quick and easy dishes. The top one in our list, Sushi Making Kit. Done in one sushi making set. Fengyan Sushi Making Package offers everything you require for the full sushi making experience. Bundles include sushi bazooka, bamboo mat, paddle, spreader, knife, bamboo chopsticks, chopsticks owner, avocado slicer. This package has every little thing you require to make sushi and simply a number of minutes. This collection comes prepared to present in a lovely box, no wrapping paper required. Good materials and noise craftsmanship. This sushi making package is made from premium bamboo and also food grade plastic, 100% all natural, BPA totally free. Much safer and also much healthier for your family. The sushi bazooka is simple to tidy and also dishwashing machine risk free. Best gift for pals, family, wives, and so on. Easy to use. This sushi making kit is really easy to use. All you need is just open up the sushi bazooka, tons with rice and also the various other components, close it, and also squeeze out the lengthy tube with a virtually completed item. Pleasant customer support. We are very concerned about consumer experience and also we're constantly ready to help you if, for any kind of factor, you are not satisfied with our sushi making set. Please allow us to know as well as we will certainly fix it for you ASAP. Invite to purchase and wish you delight in the wonderful time to make sushi. Thank you significantly for your support. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best new kitchen gadgets amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.